Hey YouTubers, it's UC Weapon back again with another Talking Trackmaster 2 unboxing review and first run, and we've got Talking Percy. Now this came out late 2014, early 2015. Pretty cool.
Hello, I'm Percy.
And same deal as the Talking Thomas I reviewed last time. It does not need the separate car for holding batteries and speakers, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, and I'm going to do it fast. Alright, so we've got instructions here, generic instructions, the same for every loco. Not very interesting. But Percy, he looks very interesting. Get some zoom happening. So yep, looks like the normal Trackmaster 2. I guess he'd be slightly longer, and this area here, the bunker, would be slightly taller to accommodate all the sound gear. The tab for the back that holds the body shell on is gone now. The speaker grill is the tab. Very cool. So let's go through his phrases.
I must go fast. There's no time for delay. Bust my bumpers. I'm a busy engine. I must be on time. I like delivering mail. Hello, I'm Percy. I must be on time. There is a lot of work to do today. I must go fast. There's no time for delay. Bust my... I like...
One item in the packet, he would whistle as well. He would go like beep beep beep. But now he doesn't seem to want to do that. So yeah, it's quite weird. I think maybe after the first time it runs, the sound changes. But anyway, I'm going to modify this one. I'm not going to do the usual mod. I'm going to do a complete wheel swap, and that's going to be a separate video. But then we'll be right back to run him after he's modified, and you can see what it's all about. Be right back. Alright, so as you can guess, our mod is done. We are back at the workbench to see Percy. What's that? Ice cream car? What's that? Who wants to run that? We'll run the mail train. TOMY wheels, all round, front and back. You want to see how I did it? Check out my other how to put TOMY wheels on your Trackmaster 2 video coming very soon.
must be on time.
It is a very difficult mod, takes a long time, but the result is well worth it.
I like delivering mail.
Let's go and give him that first run. Alright, so back over at the layout, we have Trackmaster 2 Percy with TOMY wheel swap mod. This is the first run. Well, it's not the first run because I did a little test run before, but don't tell anyone. Pulling the mail train. Let's go. Naughty Percy. Come on, Percy. Come on, Percy. No, Percy. Oh, yes, Percy, go. You've done it. So, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, that is Trackmaster 2 Talking Percy. And with my UC Weapon custom wheel swap, seems to be slightly improved over the Trackmaster 2. It could be that the black traction tyres do not give it as much grip as the genuine beige ones or grey ones. They are aftermarket products, and of course you get stuck on that automatic point spring, which other engines get stuck on too. And Dead Man's Hill. Come on, Percy. Come on, mate. Oh, he's stuck this time. A little bump. Anyway, I think these are amazing locos. The look of them isn't that great, but what they've managed to all pack inside the body, being batteries, drive unit, and sound system, the speaker, quite amazing. And he's happily hauling the mail. So yeah, let me know what you think. You want to see how to do the wheel swap mod? I'll be uploading that video separately, so check it out when it's up. It's very complex and a lot can go wrong in a very short space of time, so it is for advanced players. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed Trackmaster 2 Talking Percy with the custom wheels. I don't know why he likes to get stuck in that particular spot. Maybe he's waiting for the signalman to give him the all clear. See, he's stuck fast, even his wheels were jammed. Yes. Now I have to address that auto point. Might need to pull apart and clean or something, I don't know. Come on, Percy. There you go. Anyway, enough babbling on. I'm going to leave it there today. Thanks for watching.